Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Ligue 90 and 91 season in the icon journey of Zinedine Zidane in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So in this mode, you have to play skill game passing through gate. But before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. And let's get started by tap the play button, tap the live events, and tap the Zinedine Zidane one, the icon journey. So Zidane debuted in Ligue 1 in 1989, where he showed great flair, 2 goals in his national match, also signal his rising on the international stage. We've done in the first Ligue 1 training, and this is the second match, our second train. Passing through gate. Let's stop play. So this is pass to teammate. Tap on your teammate or on the pitch to play past them. So you have 3 attempts and 24 seconds of minute. So you have to score to your friend. Just tap your friend here. Tap and tap. You can try again if you fail. Make it easy, just tap it to your friend. The timing is crucial here. You have to wait and pass. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.